linear regression, the value A and B, after that define the value of R, right? R is correlation. Today we important, the important in linear regression, it is the test in a simple linear regression. We want to test, we must test slope, this one is slope. And keturunan, the slope. We want to test the slope, whether there exists relationship or not, or this one. Okay, the hypothesis is we use a t-test for this one. B beta hat minus divided by beta. Okay, beta y minus b SSY divided by n minus y SSS. Okay, the formula is given during final exam for this one. Okay, if you see this one, when beta is 0, when the slope is 0, slope the keturunan is 0, mean no correlation. For this one, no correlation. When slope is not 0, beta is not equal 0. Here, if beta is 0, the equation y is equal alpha plus beta x. And when beta is 0, we can get the equation y is equal alpha. For this one, if you see the graph like this one x and this one is y, alpha is here, we can get the graph like this. When x is increased, still maintained, no change. When decrease, y still stay. The value is still same. It is equal alpha. For this one, is this mean x and y correlation? No relationship, between x and y for this one. Okay, we have three hypotheses. The first one, if you want to test beta is 0, then beta not equal 0. Not equal 0, it is mean exists a relationship. This one exists relationship, this one no relationship. And when we accept HO, we mean beta, there is a relationship with n x y. Okay, this if you want to test a positive relationship, we just put this one is greater, beta greater, and hypothesis not still same. We just using equal. Same for the number 3. If you want to the relationship, must less than 0. Okay, the criteria rejection for this one, alpha must divide by 2. Alpha must divide by 2 for not equal, alpha must divide by 2. Okay, for beta greater or less, we just put less. If t plus t alpha, v is n minus 2, it means when reject, it is mean there is exist relationship, negative relationship, or exist relationship. This one, number 1, number 2, and number 3, it is depend on the question. Okay, if you see, okay, the yellow color, if you have the output comment, we can decide whether we accept or reject based on p value. If p value less than alpha, we reject HO. Okay, this one is based on output accept. Okay, we look at example for this one. Example, the data at the atmospheric pressure versus temperature are when temperature 1, the pressure is 30. When temperature 2, the pressure is 50, and so on for this one. Okay, perform linear regression to determine the regression. Okay, try using calculator. Try using calculator. What is the value A, the value B? Try using calculator. Find using calculator. Okay, I just give you find using calculator. What is the A? What is the value B? Just need 5 minutes. Okay, try. This is very important. The final the expression like this one. Okay, put number 1. Okay, Muhammad Jenny log already done. Okay, just wait. We put no. Okay, what is the value A? What is the value A? Okay, A we can get the value A is okay. A, what is the value B? Okay, Daniel Regan, A is 25. And make sure you get the same answer. A is 25 and B is 12. And the gradation line is y it is equal A plus bx it is equal A is 25 and B is 12 power x cos. Okay, if this one is correct, you can get just for this question we can get 2 marks, just to if A is correct and B is correct, we can get 2 marks. Okay, the number B. Number B, use the regression formula to estimate pressure Y when X is equal. X is 38. When, what is the value Y? Okay, what is the value Y? Okay, 481. 481 bilang Y-nya. Okay, 481 pressure. Okay, this one, if this is correct, you can get for this one 1 mark. Okay, the numbers D, okay, this one number C, number C, what is the value R, correlation coefficient, the symbol is R, what is the value R? Okay, what is the value R? Okay, 0.915, 195. Okay, interpret this value. Okay, strong positive or strong negative? Strong positive. Okay, now this near almost 1. It is we can make it for this one is what is the relationship between temperature and pressure? Okay, strong positive, strong positive. A relationship between temperature and pressure. Okay. Okay, good.
Semua jawapan ni boleh guna kalkulator tekan ke?
Memang jawapan ni guna kalkulator. Memang kena jawab guna kalkulator. Tak perlu langkah-langkah, tak perlu. Sebab ada markah is very small. For this one, if you see this one, just 2 mark. You can just click using calculator. Just using calculator. No need langkah-langkah, tak perlu. No need. Okay, like you can answer like this one. What is the value A? What is the value B? You can write like this one. Okay, for this one is same. This one just 2 mark. Just 2 mark. If R is correct, it's just 1 mark, and the conclusion is 1 mark. You can just get 2 mark. Okay, the number C. The number C. Okay, the number C. Test at 5%. 5% it is alpha. For this one is alpha. Alpha is 5%. Okay, whether is it a positive? Looks like the question is positive. We want to test a positive relationship. You just take the hypothesis. The number 1 is just exist relationship. The number 2 is positive. We just consider number 2. We just consider number 2 hypothesis. Okay, when positive, we just take the positive. The hypothesis is this one, H cos 0, B is 0 again, beta. Again, S1 positive, we must using beta greater than 0. Okay, for this one, we must use this one using T statistic. When you want to use this one, you must find you must find variable beta is related this one. Variable beta is related the formula. Okay, the first you must find what is the SSS, SYY, and SY. Okay, what is the try find what is the value summation for X. What is the summation for X? SY, summation Y. Just from calculator, And the last one is just okay. What is the value summation for X? Okay, 15. Okay, summation XY. XY. Okay, 35. Okay, summation for Y. Okay, 305. Okay, summation for X power 2. Okay, 55. And last one, summation for Y power. Okay, soal okay, 20325. Okay, after that, after you get all this one, just put into the equation. Ex plus power 2, 55 minus ex power 2, it is equal 15 power 2. Divide the data, we have just the data 5 data. Okay, what is the value for this one? SSS. What is the value SS? Okay, this one we get 10, just 10. Okay, after that, SYY it is equal 2,0,3,25 minus Y is 3,005 power 2 divided by 5. Okay, what is the blue Y power? Okay, yes, SYY, what is the value SYY? Okay, 2,0. Daniel, itu just 1/2, right? It is just 1/2. Nah, SYY. What is the value SYY? Okay, 1,720. Okay, 100, 1,720. Okay, SSY 1,035 minus EX and EY is equal 300 divided by 5. Okay, 120, 120. Okay, the last one. Okay, after with this one, we can put into the variable B. SYY it is 1,720 minus B. The value B is equal $10 time SSY 120 divided by is just 5. SSS is equal 10. Okay, what is the value variable B? Variable. Okay, boleh gerak Okay. Okay, what is the variant beta? Okay, 12. We get just this one is 12. Okay, just put here, okay, beta. Okay, look here, what is the beta? Beta is B, it is equal beta, beta hat it is B. B it is equal beta for this one. Okay, for this one, beta is 0, for this one, beta is 0. We just using the hypothesis, this one, We just take the value here, beta is 0. And this one get a variant B, variant B, variant beta. And this one is 0. We can get it is 12 divided by 12. Okay, for this one is wrong. This one the value is 7. This one is 7. So we can get the value T is 4.5. Okay, we can get T is 4.5356. Okay, the rules rejects. Okay, reject HO. Okay, if T you must put modulus greater than T alpha v sum is equal n minus 2. Okay, for this question, alpha for this question 5%, 0.05. And v it is equal n minus 2 it is equal n is 5. We can get. Okay, try look find what is the value T this one 0.053. Berapa nilai dia? Tengok buku sipil. Berapa nilai? 0.053. 0.053. T value. Okey, berapa nilai dia? Ini dapat
Doctor, alpha don't need divide 2 ah.
clear. Okay, berapa what is the value? The alpha 0.05, V is 3. Okay, 2.3, 2.3. Okay, accept or reject. Okay, we calculate the value T is 4.5 and T from table 2.3. Accept or reject? Okay, reject, reject. Okay, rejects. So there is positive, positive relationship with temperature and pressure, pressure. Okay, for this question, the marks is very high. The marks is very, for this one, if this correct, you can get 8 marks. This one is very high. The marker, marker dekat sini paling tinggi 8 marker, 8 marks from this question. And because it is involved hypothesis. Okay, yes, no need divide by 2. Just if you see this, the rules. And that's the number one. If you consider equal alpha divided by 2, equal. For greater or less, no need divide by 2. No need divide 2. The concept sama hypothesis yang kita belajar sebelum ni. The concept is same. Itu belajar the previous chapter. Okay, we look at how to look the result from the computer. We can this equation using Excel. Okay, I put the value into the Excel. We can look the result. Okay, awak boleh sambil dulu tengok. Okay, you can look at the result ni. Okay, this one is X. 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, Y. Okay, apa ni lah? 30, 50, 70, 80. 30, 50, 70, 80. 30, 50, 70, 80, and 75. Okay, you can see how regression using Excel. I will explain how you answer. You can analysis the data using Excel. Have data, one feature and this one is pressure. Okay, the first you just click data. After that, click data analysis. After that, to regression, go to the regression. Okay, this one is random number generation. To the rank. After that, okay, just click regression. Just click regression. Okay, after that, highlight the Y. Highlight the value, just highlight the value Y. The value Y start 30 until 75. After that, click the value X, start from number 5. Yeah, after that, we can click OK. After that, just click OK. We can get the result. Okay, this one is the result, Excel, from Excel. Okay, we look at the important. Okay, if you see this one, intercept, intercept is the value A. Intercept is value A. Okay, look at the result here. Okay, intercept is the value A. You must remember this one intercept is A. And X variable one is B. This one is the value B. If you get the result is same, A is we can get 25. B is just 12. The result same for this one. Okay, and multiple R is R. For this side, multiple R is value R. If you see this one is the R. R value is this one. Okay, this one the value A. Okay, is the value. Okay, this is important. Okay, after that we can make conclusion. Make conclusion based on this one. Okay, we can make conclusion on p value. Okay, this p value. Okay, this one is p value. Okay, just look here for beta. Okay, if you see p value for beta, this one, p value, this one. Okay, p value. 0.02937. Okay, alpha for this question, alpha is 0.05. Okay, I think you still remember reject. Okay, rejects echo. Okay, if p value less than p value less than alpha. Okay, for this one, we get p value is 0.029 and alpha 0.05. Okay, reject or not?
Reject.
Faham Okay, reject. Betul lah. Ahmad, the answer is reject. Okay, kita balik pada nota tadi. We just dan daripada output computer, the output computer. Okay, go to the okay, kita lihat soalan nombor example 3 example 3. Tengok example 3 ni, this one, example 3. Okay, this is the output computer. Okay, soalan kenapa? Okay, look example 3 example 3. Okay, this is output computer from Excel. This is a regression line, regression output. Okay, the number the list regression line of the output Excel jawapan. Maka regression line estimate regression line. Regression line it is y is equal a plus bx. Okay, for this question, what is the value a? Number a. What is the value a? Okay, what is the value a? Apa nilai? Okay, 2.7 Okay, yang atas ni adalah A This one A 2.7. Okay, what is the value B? Okay, what is the value B? Okay, 1.1 B is 1.1x. Okay, if it is for 2 marks for this one 2 marks. Okay, the number B when X is berapa nilai dia? 6.5 8.5. Okay, when X is 8.5 we can get Y is equal 2.7 plus 1.1 times 8.5. Okay, down answer for this one, the number B. Okay, number B bagi the answer. Okay, 9.85. Okay, for this one we can get just 1 mark. Okay, the number C. Use the percent correlation. Okay, what is the value R? For this question, what is the value R? Okay, for this one, which one is the R? Value R. Berapa nilai R ni? Okay, the first one is the value R. R is R is the value is 0.8696. Okay, the last one. Okay, the comment, the answer is, okay, for this one, it is almost one, it is strong, strong positive, between, is this for this one, the hypothesis is, XO is equal, again, and this one is not mentioned, not mentioned positive or negative, for this one is just this saja, not alpha. Okay, P value this one, just take this one. P value is 0.0, 0.0554. P value is 0.0554. Okay, what is the value alpha for this one? Alpha and divide by 2 or no need? No need divide by 2 or divide by 2 for this question. Okay, by 2, alpha must divide by 2, for this one, alpha must divide by 2. 0.025. Okay, accept or reject? At the same way, rejects HO if again. Okay, for this kernel, less than alpha divided by 2. For this one, alpha must divide by 2. Okay, for this one, alpha must divide by 2. Okay, accept or reject? Accept or reject? Accept or reject for this question? Okay, accept or reject? Okay, accept for this question, accept. In P value greater, for this one greater, okay, greater than alpha divided by 2, we accept, accept. When accept, there is no exist relationship between X and what? X and Y. Okay, try this question, try Abel ni cuba buat soalan ni, cuba kita buat yang. Saya beri masa, I just give you, try buat soalan ni, example tu. Okay, I just give you about 15 minutes, try dalam masa 15 minit. Okay, try example tu. Okay, what's the value A? Least square is the regression line, it is y. Okay, what is the value A? Okay, 8. Okay, what is the value B? Okay, what is the value B? Okay, negative 1.2. Is 5. What is the value Y? What is the value Y? Okay, what is the value Y? Okay, 4, Y 4. Okay, the number C, what is the value R? Okay, negative 0.7338. Okay, if you see the value is almost negative 1, we can set negative strong relationship between between this one and the drying time. You can write here amount of vanish and drying time. Okay, the last one, what is the value SXX? What is the value SXX? SXX. The value of SXX. Okay, 10. Okay, what is the value SYY? Okay, 15.2. Okay, what is the value SSY? Okay, negative 12. Okay, after that, just put, okay, this one is already done. For this one, okay, this one done. Okay, after that, you just put here SYY. Okay, what is the value of variant beta? What is the value of variant beta? Okay, 0.02. Okay, what is the value of T? What is the Okay, what is the value T? Okay, negative 8.4853. After that, we just make conclusion. Okay, for hypothesis, look the question. Can we conclude as it's negative? For this one, as it negative. Negative relationship. Negative relationship. The hypothesis is negative. Okay, SO beta is 0 against S1. Beta less than 0. And less than 0. Okay, for this one, no need divide by 2. Alpha for this question, alpha just 5%, just using 5%, 0.05, and B it is equal n minus 2, it is 3. Yeah? Okay, looks from the table, what is the value T? 0.053. Yeah, no need tak perlu bagi 2. Berapa nilai dia? 0.053. Okay, for this one, rejects HO if, okay, somewhere, you just put modulus T greater than T053. Okay, 2.353. Okay, for this one, accept or reject? Accept or reject? This one wrong. This one wrong. Okay, this one wrong. The answer is 2.920. This one alpha not need dibagi 2, alpha need dibagi by 2. Kalau kita bagi 2, this one not need the T value 2.2. Okay, for this one we reject. HO, reject HO, it is mean there is exits negative relationship between X and Y for this one. Okay, you can. Last size, the bot. Yeah, okay. Okay, cuba buat, okay, this one, okay, ada satu lagi ya. Okay, look this question baru nak masuk siapa, something ni lambat ni masuk. Okay, untuk soalan, untuk for the number 3 for number 3. What is the value A, what is the value B? Okay, the number A, what is the value A? What is the value A? Apa ni lah A? What is value A? Okay, negative. Okay, this one A, 4, 6. C adalah okay. What is the value B? B is 24. B is 24. Point 2597. Okay, second is A, negative 4,1,629 plus 24.2597 X. Okay, interpret the answer. Interpret when you just look the slope, for this one, slope. Positive. This is a positive relationship. You can, when this one is positive, you can put it is a exit positive relationship. And you can put that is mean exist a positive relationship between turbidity temperature, and temperature. And temperature. You can write like this one. Okay, the number B. The number B, is there any significant relationship between turbidity and temperature? Turbidity and temperature. Okay, for this one, alpha 0.01. Okay, look, what is the p-value? Berapa nilai p-value? What is the p-value? Okay, what is the p-value for this question? Okay, 0.0141, 0.0141. Okay, p-value for this one, 0.0141. If you see this one is greater than alpha, accept or reject? Accept or reject for this one? Accept or reject? Greater. Accept or reject? Okay, accept. Accept. When accept, there is no exists no relationship. No relationship. Exists no relationship. Okay, the number C. If the label significant increase to 5, alpha is 0.05. Okay, p-value is the same. P-value is the same, 0.0141. Okay, accept or reject for this one, 0.0141. Okay, for this one, accept or reject? Okay, if you see this one is less than. Okay, reject. When alpha is increased, to reject HO. Okay, for this one, there is exists relationship between X and Y, ataupun turbidity and you can write turbidity and temperature. Okay, we finish this chapter. Any question for this one? Any question? Ada tak soalan nak tanya? Any question?
Doktor,
Okay. Okay, Ahmad.
kalau accept HO, maksudnya no relationship kan ke?
Betul. Kalau accept no relationship. Tengok tadi yang tadi soalan B tadi, kalau accept, soalan B tu dia accept. Jadi no relationship. Kalau soalan C, dia exit, dia reject, dia exit relationship. Okay, Ahmad. Ingat kalau reject dia exit relationship. Okay, yang ni boleh cuba. Yang ni kalau tengok this one is a positive relationship. You can try this one. Okay, this one is just positive. Okay, for this question, I provided the answer. You can try at home. This one is the answer. You can check your answer. This one, the number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 5. We have question. Different is the data. The difference is the data. The question is almost same. Like this one. We have for this one, for this question, for this chapter, we have 2 questions. The mark is 20. This 20. This one is very big. The marks. The question like number 3 and number 1 is number 1 and number 3. The number 1 is the data. And the second is involve the output from computer. That is this one. I think it is you can score for this chapter. Ada tak soalan nak tanya lagi? Any question? Tak ada? Okay, kalau tak ada kita awak kena ada tugas sana. Okay, Okay, sure. Okay, Okay,
go. You go first.
Go.
Can you repeat the part yang interpret tadi, yang untuk exercise 3A tu?
Okay, 3A, this one, interpret the answer. Just look at the for this one slope. If you see this one, the slope is positive. When positive, we can say that the slope B is 24.2597 positive value. Okay, it is mean as it's a positive relationship between turbidity and temperature. You can like this one. It is okay. Okay, go on. And just look at the slope. When the slope is negative, you can say it is negative relationship. When it is positive, you can say as it's positive relationship.
Tulis dia positif atau negatif saja.
Okay, positif dan negatif saja lah.
Okay.
Okay, any question?
Doctor, the alpha for B and C no need divide by 2 because
you can by 2 or no need. It is okay lah. This one. It is possible. If you divide by 2, the answer is still same for this one. You can divide by 2 or no. I think it is better you divide by 2 for this one. Okay, the question number B. For the question number B, you must divide by 2 for this one, because for this question not mentioned positive or negative. When not mentioned positive or negative, you must divide by 2. You must compare this one is 0.05. This one alpha must divide by 2. Okay, I saw you lah. This one must divide by 2.
Doctor.
Okay. This one by 2. 0.025. Okay, tak ada soalan Okay, tak ada. We go to the part tugasan grouping exercise, grouping assignment. Okay. Okay, looks at this is the grouping assignment, grouping assignment. Grouping assignment. Okay, this one, the group one, I just select 6 students. The first 6 students, I group the number of group 1. Yeah, the question is number A. The number A. We have for number 7 until 12, group 2. You must do the exercise number B, the number B. And you can look at your group. Okay, the question is this one. Okay, the data is like this one. Okay, this one is the data. The data, if you group 1, group A, this one is the data. This is the data for A. The data from for group A. If you group B, group 2, the data is B. You just take this one, the data. If you the group E, you can just choose the data E. Okay, okay. After that, I will give you the questionnaire in WhatsApp. I just give you the question in WhatsApp. Okay, you can take the question. One question. Okay, you can look at the instruction how to do the assignment. Okay, this is general instruction. General instruction. The mark is 10%. You submit 30 June. 30 June. 30 June. Okay, this is the instruction. You must follow this one. Guideline. This one is the guideline. Okay, just a maximum page. You must do just maximum 5 pages. Okay, any question? Nanti awak boleh baca, you can read the assignment this one. After that, if you have any question, you can ask me for this one. Okay, kalau tak ada, kita jumpa lagi. Kita jumpa lagi. Kita jumpa lagi pada final exam. Kalau tak ada masalah, kita jumpa pada final. Okay, if you don't have any question, okay, see you during final exam, 5 July. Okay,
Doktor, kuis tu doktor tak kira
Kuis saya kira nanti saya nak tu.
Tapi saya tak ambil lagi doktor daripada hari tu lagi.
Saya tu kuis berdasarkan assignment. Saya tak kira ada assignment. Assignment kan banyak awak dah hantar tu kan. Saya tengok assignment. Based on assignment.
Okay doktor.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, jumpa lagi.
Okay doktor.